Hi, I'm Ann from Immediate Affiliate. Join us today as we take a look at the 10 most oversaturated dropshipping products of 2024. On the sunny side of this, we're going to talk about how to find great product ideas that can potentially give you a real edge and a few examples of products, some of them emerging, others low key, but established products with great potential that are worth paying attention to. Stick around. Very briefly, my background, just to give you some perspective, is a career in commercial real estate brokerage with an emphasis on investment sales, which brings in a lot of analysis that clients rely on. I bring that same focus to this space, the online business, monetize social media, digital marketing, e-commerce space. I'm an affiliate for some of the programs I mentioned within this video. And what this means is that if you sign up through my link, or purchase anything through my link, which I'd always appreciate, I may receive a commission at no additional cost to you. At the end of the video, appreciate a like and subscribe. We've got links in the description and comments section below with tools mentioned here, dropshipping platforms like SaleHoo, which is fantastic, and others that are not related to dropshipping if you're looking for great tools to build up your business. Thank you so much. So before we begin the countdown of these 10 most oversaturated dropshipping products for 2024, let me just say that just because these products are on the list or categories are on the list, that doesn't make them necessarily bad or unsaleable. It doesn't mean that you couldn't make a lot of money as a dropshipper selling them. There are actually people doing that right as we speak, making a lot of money dealing with these very products. But the reasons they're on the list are, I believe, important for a dropshipper to be aware of, and including a prospective dropshipper, someone who's contemplating getting into the business, because there are additional risks. You're trying to limit your risk, especially when you're starting out. And there are a number of reasons why these made the list. It'll be on the countdown, you'll see in each case, but the primary reason is low barriers to entry, lots of competition, and several offshoots of that. There's obviously a lot that goes into drop shipping product selection. We're not going to cover it all here, but obviously it needs to involve a lot of reliable data, supportive data, thoughtful analysis, a careful look at trends, micro trends, and trends over time, and more than just general impressions and a cursory look at social media and a couple of platforms that offer dropship products. One of the great resources, in my opinion, for dropshippers is SaleHoo. They've got a very extensive platform geared specifically to helping dropshippers, including but not limited to those who are brand new, just launching their business, just getting into dropshipping. And their platform really mimics a whole group of dropshipping advisors. They offer a lot of practical advice and community support. They've got full education modules. They've got an accelerator. They've got a vetted and verified list of 8,000 dropshipping suppliers. That's how it really started out. I've got links for SaleHoo in the comment section and description of the video. Check them out. They're all extremely helpful. So SaleHoo actually puts out a list of 250 hot and trending products. They've put one out for 2024. And their research team and all their analysts, they have access to a lot They have programs to really, really take a deep look at all the products in the dropshipping marketplace year over year, take a look at trends, take a look at performance, and they've come up with basically 4 points of criteria in creating this list. Potential profit margin of at least 3 times the wholesale price. That's really important. Products with versatile marketing channels, targeting untapped market opportunities to reduce competition, and products that grab attention and legitimately solve consumer problems. So here's a few that made the list, and they're in contrast to those that are on the oversaturated list. These are maybe lower key, they're a little different, but we'll take a quick look at them. So, cold brew coffee maker. While cold brew coffee is absolutely a favorite, many people still don't make it at home. So, the product has the potential to be another kitchen staple for many. Anti mosquito bracelet. So, rather than the traditional fitness tracker, you've got a convenient solution for gardeners exposed to bugs or anyone who's maybe on vacation. Ever go up to Maine? Ever go up to Vermont in the summertime? Believe me, they do away with the need for any bug spray. It's suitable for all ages, and it's just a really good solution. Potato growing bags. Growing root vegetables like potatoes, carrots, and onions is just easier with these bags. These bags just simplify things by eliminating the need to dig. They offer convenience with a side unzip feature. They also save you space, allowing you to maximize your garden area. So this is, I mean, and also growing your own food. This is going to be a trend that has picked up a lot of steam over the past few years, and this is just an example of it. Also, just side note, check out Small Space Produce. I'll put the link in the comments and the description. That's someone who specializes in a drop shipping business for these types of products. He's awesome. His name is Greg, and he does a fantastic job. Check him out. Guys, thanks for watching the top 10 most oversaturated dropshipping products of 2024. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the list. And if you're already in the business, what you think are the most overrated dropshipping products and how you decide on your products over time. If you've ever had product that surprised you, that performed beyond your wildest projections, or something that just fell short and you weren't expecting it. Those are always really interesting stories. If you're new here, I appreciate you considering subscribing for more content on dropshipping, but also a lot of other online income strategies, digital marketing, e-commerce, anything monetized social media, that space. Check out the links for resources, including SaleHoo and a lot of others below. Appreciate it. See you next time.